McKinsey has just released another generative AI report in the perspective of economic forecast. This report is quite an eye opener. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the key and salient outcomes of this report. The authors of this report examined scenarios of adoption between 2040 and 2060 and also their effects on labor productivity through 2040 starting from today. They evaluated the business impact of Gen AI use cases in a lot of scenarios, including customer service, and then they predicted that if they were applied globally, it will cause a lot of disruption. They also assessed the technology's potential to automate tasks in roughly 850 occupations based on occupations, sensory, cognitive, physical, language, and social requirements. The biggest disruptor would be high tech sector, especially banking, education, pharmaceuticals, and telecommunication. They will have a huge positive impact from generative AI. Generative AI is expected to boost their value by 2 to 5%, which is huge. Also, four sets of activities such as marketing and sales, software engineering, customer operations, and product research and development represent represent 75% of total potential economic gains. They also conducted a survey in 8 countries that included both developed and developing economies. As per that survey, they found out that Gen AI is likely to automate tasks in relatively high paying jobs, such as software engineering, product development. Gen AI is also expected to automate the most tasks in jobs that pay in the highest or second highest income quantiles. Gen AI could automate 50% of all work tasks between 2030 and 2060. Yes, let me repeat it again. Gen AI could automate 50% of all work tasks between 2030 and 2060 as per this report. The technology is most likely to automate tasks that require logical reasoning and generating or understanding natural languages. So job roles such as software developers, software engineers, and also translators, content generators, graphic designers, they are at high risk. So the anxiety and the fears, concerns are real around the generative AI's potential to displace human workers. A recent CNBC survey of around 8,000 US workers found out that 24% of the respondents were very worried or some were worried that AI would make their jobs obsolete. And same sentiment is being reflected here in Australia, where a lot of people are concerned. But I believe that if you reinvent yourself, if you relearn the skills and stay on top of this upcoming AI era, you should be fine. Thanks for listening.